What's the meaning of bailiff? Bailiff. Bailiff.
Bailiff. Bailiff. A bailiff is a legal officer who is responsible for maintaining order and executing court orders within a particular jurisdiction. The role of a bailiff can vary depending on the specific jurisdiction, but their responsibilities typically include serving legal documents, providing security in courtrooms and enforcing court orders. Bailiffs may also perform evictions, seize property or assets, and facilitate the transfer of property ownership as directed by a court order. In some jurisdictions, bailiffs may also be responsible for collecting fines and fees related to court cases. Overall, the bailiff plays an important role in ensuring that the judicial process is carried out smoothly and legally.